Hi, it's Joan. It's a good idea at this time of the year to start by refreshing, going over all of our bridge basics and ideas with partner so that we can have a great year of bridge. Well, let's look at the opener's role and the sort of judgment that they need to bring to whether to open or not, what to open. Well, in first or second seat, we follow the classic opening guidelines. Lots of people these days open really light, but I don't think that's a good idea because you're giving partner the wrong message. So you need about 12 points, or definitely to use the guideline of 20 if you're in first or second seat and you don't think you've quite got 12 or 13 points. Let's say you've got 10. What that means is that you're evaluating the length and the shape as well as the points. And this is really important. The shape of a hand is just about as vital as the points that you have. And of course, once you find a fit, then shapely hands will play very well. So the opener is sort of making the first move like a serve in tennis. And in first and second seat, they need to have a reasonable hand with 12, 13 or more points up to about 19. And it's very good to sort with partner what are the guidelines for shape openings. Well, we're mostly playing 5-card majors, so opening a major promises 5. Opening 1 diamond says I probably don't have 5 of a major, but I've got 4 or more diamonds. And opening 1 club says I don't have any of the above, and I couldn't open 1 no trump, and I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, who knows how many clubs. Opening 1 no trump is really popular, and it's important to look at your length even in no trump contracts. So within the balanced range of 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2 or 5, 3, 3, 2, if you have a 5-card suit, I'd add an extra point for the length, especially if it's a good 5-card suit. So opening is very much based on our judgment of what we think our hand looks like. It's also a bit about what we should bid when we have to bid for the second time, when we have to make a rebid. Sometimes we adjust our bidding a little to fit that in if we find we've got a hand that we might have a difficulty or an awkward rebid. Have a look at the hand I've given you and think about what you would open and how you would reach the final contract. Have a great week, everyone. 2 passes to the south hand with 14 high card points and an extra point for the 5th club. If you open at 1 club, you might have an awkward bid later. After partner responds, you might need to bid 2 diamonds, and the hand is not strong enough to show a second suit at the 2 level called a reverse. So you'd be much better to open this hand. 14 plus an extra 1 is 15, 1 no trump. Partner's gone to game. And we had nothing in spades and only 1 control in hearts, but we've got 5 club tricks and 4 diamond tricks. So win the king of hearts and go for our winners. We've made 10 tricks and that will be it. But that is a triumph. So opening one no trump told partner we had a balanced or semi-balanced 15, 16 or 17. And the fact is they were able to go to game. The opponents, East and West, have actually got a very good spade fit and a very good heart fit. So had they led spades from 3 to the king, we would have failed in 3 no trumps. But if you look carefully, they could have made 4 hearts or 4 spades. Not that they're going to reach it because they don't have enough points, but the fact is they could take 5 heart tricks and 5 spade tricks. And yet we made 10 tricks in 3 no trumps. So opening 1 no trump is a good idea when you upgrade the 5th card of a long suit and make sure that that moves into the 15, 16, 17 point range.